G'day legends. If you're looking for the easiest, most delicious treat you'll ever make, you're in the right place. Today we're making the ultimate no-bake peanut butter fudge. No oven, no candy thermometer, just pure magic. First things first, grab your saucepan. We're going to combine our butter, sugars and milk. Now let's get this onto the stove over medium heat. We're going to stir this constantly until everything is melted and smooth. You'll know the sugars are dissolved when the mixture feels silky, not gritty. Once it hits a gentle boil, we're going to let it bubble for exactly 1 minute. Don't walk away from this part. Now off the heat, we'll add our vanilla and salt. Then it's time for the secret weapon, the icing sugar. Add this in about a cup at a time, mixing well between each addition. This is what gives us that creamy texture. And finally, stir in that glorious peanut butter until it's completely melted and the fudge is perfectly smooth. Pour that heavenly mixture straight into your prepared tin and smooth it out. I'm using an 8x-inch pan here, lined with baking paper, which makes it super easy to lift out later. Now for the hardest part, waiting. Pop this in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours to firm up, or depending on the ambient temperature, it can actually be set on the bench. Once it's completely firm, use that paper overhang to lift it out and onto a cutting board. Slice it into beautiful little squares and get ready to impress everyone. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes.